Welcome back. Metalbati is one of the rarest panchayats which treats garbage from the village on its own. The panchayat has installed a recycling unit in the village. This panchayat has also been awarded the Best Panchayat recognition. Watch achievements and future plans of Metalbati Panchayat in our Panchayats Report series Satyagraha.
This is the Metalbati Panchayat, a panchayat ruled by Miguel Pereira for 8 years with the support of MLA Mickey Pacheco. This is one of the rarest panchayat that treats their own garbage. Have a look at this. This is the recycling unit installed in the panchayat area. The panchayat has been awarded with the Best Panchayat Award.
जेन्ना आमी रिसायकलिंग स्टेशन बांदलें आनी जायते स्कूल भुरग्यांक जावं आमचे आवला ती शिकतात ती धाकटी भुरगीं एक कॅम्प केलो आनी तांकां एक गार्बेजा वयर आमी तांकां समजोवणी दिली आनी जाचे वरवीं ती आतां घराक वचोन ती गार्बेज प्लास्टीक बॉटल ती आसा ती हिंगा येवन हे रिसायकलिंग स्टेशनान ती भितर घालून जायते आमकां उणेपण जालो आसा तेच परी आमी डोर टू डोर कलेक्शन आमी 15 दिसांनी आमचो एक मनीस बिल्डनान वरवीं आमचो गांवांत कलेक्शन जाल्लें आसा तेच परी एक एक घरांत आमी एक मातयेचे कांबा म्हण जंय एक एक घरान जावन एकल्यान हें कंपोस्टिंग करूं जाता.
Sarpanch claims that neighbouring panchayats visit Metalbati to study system of garbage treatment.
चांदोरचो हेर गांवचे लोक हिंगा येवन हें पळोवन आपल्या आपल्या गांवांत चालू केल्लें आसा.
This panchayat houses a sub-health centre, sub-post office and has many proposed developmental plans. After the upcoming panchayat poll, panchayat will have a lady sarpanch following a reservation policy. A reporter from Metalbati, Savio Dias.
The Parrikar government is likely to complete the construction of Mopa Airport by 2015. On Monday, the CM met the consultant for the construction of the airport at the Secretariat. During the meeting, the master plan was approved in principle. Parrikar said that by September end, global tenders will be floated. Already 80% of the land acquisition process has been completed. The project is being built on a PPP model.
आता जो टाइम शेड्यूल ठरला तो टेंडर काडपाक सप्टेंबर एंड हो टेंटेटिव्ह शेड्यूल दवरला ग्लोबल टेंडर काडपाक फ्लोट करपाक
ग्लोबल टेंडर आनी हेतून इन्वेस्टमेंट करपाक कोण तयार आसा अशें दिसता
आत्ता इन्वेस्ट ग्लोबल टेंडर काडटकूच काडले न्ही पण देर आर सो मेनी पीपल हू आर इंटरेस्टेड अरे प्रेजेंटेशन दिला नाव ताचो मास्टर प्लान पळय आहा तो सगळो प्लान इन नेक्स्ट 10 to 12 days वी विल अप्रूव इट इज नाव इन प्रिंसिपल इट इज अप्रूव बट इट हॅज टू बी स्टडीड न्ही सो वन्स इट गोज टू द फायल इट विल बी स्टडीड एंड अप्रूव्ड इन नेक्स्ट 10-12 days आनी सप्टेंबर एंड पर्यंत ग्लोबल टेंडर ह्या हाजें काडप टार्गेट 2015 एका म्हयन्यान फायनान्शियल कन्सल्टंट अपॉयंट जातलो.
It's a PPP project?
It is greenfield, completely private sector. Government will have only the land holding as its share.
Okay. And what about land acquisition has been complete?
Almost 75-80% is complete. One small component of it is in the code.
What about the finances of the airport?
Complete to 2045 per in the projection that is about 3,800 crores. But first phase will be about 2,500 to 3,000.
Same final.
That means to make it operational around 2,500 crores will be the cost.
A reporter from Panji, Lokik Shilkar, video journalist Omkar Falari.
Seems like everything isn't well inside the newly renovated Ravindra Bhavan at Margao. Artists have to face a lot of problems while performing at this theatre in the commercial capital. They claim even after renovation there are no proper facilities for artists and the roof is already leaking much before the monsoons.
Ravindra Bhavan was renovated in November to host the International Film Festival of India. Though it looks well maintained, it's just superficial. Have a look. There are no proper facilities to the artist. No stand for costumes, no proper sitting arrangements and non-maintained floor. Moreover, before monsoon, the roof has started leaking.
आदी आमी हे हॉलान न्हेसल्यात तेन्ना हे हॉल एकदम बरें आसलेले हँगर आसलेले आमकां हँगर हूक आसताले हँगर घालूंक तेच परी आमच्यो कदेल्योय बरी आसलेल्यो हांगा आमकां तोंड दिवंक बा सवलती आसलेल्यो आमकां मेकअप करूंक सवलती आसताल्यो पूण आयज तें सगळें ताणें बदलप केलां आनी कांय सदमान हांगा सगळ्याक कळटा पावसाच्या दिसान तर हांगा रावपाचेंच ना सगळें लीक जाता आनी उदक भितर येवन आमकां खूब त्रास जातात हें आतां तांणी इतलो दीस पेस करून हें हॉल केलां इम्प्रुवमेंट जावंक जाय आसलो बरो सुदारप जावंक जाय आसलेलें तें सुदारप जावचें बोलते सगळ्यांच वायटूच जालां ते ग्रीन चेडवांचे ग्रीन रूम आसात थंय त्योच प्रॉब्लेम जालेले आसात.
It's not even 6 months after the renovation, but have a look at the Ravindra Bhavan. This has raised many questions on the quality of renovation work. A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
The celebration of the Milagres feast at Mapsa was on Monday. This is one of the biggest festivals in Mapsa city. Devotees from all walks of life visit the church to take blessings of Saibin.
The celebration of one of the most famous feasts in the state, Mapsa's Milagres feast, began from Monday. Catholics celebrate this feast of Mother Mary as Milagres Saibin in Mapsa. Saibin is offered coconut oil. It is believed that Saibin fulfills wishes of her devotees, and with this faith, thousands of devotees flock here for her blessings.
लोक दुसऱ्या वर्साक आपण आनीक तेल घेवन येता घालून हें करून आनी आतां एक 15 दीस पासून चालूच आसतले लोक सगळे धर्माचे येता हें करून लोकांक खूब आवडटा लोक सांगता ते भशेन कळटा आमकां आनी कितें मागता ते बी लोकांक मेवता आनी दुसऱ्या वर्सा येवन लोक सांगता मागीर आमकां जशें करून आमी मागिल्लें देखून आमकां मेवलें आनी आंगुणी फारीक करता.
The Mapsa church is officially dedicated and named as the Church of Saint Jerome, but is popularly known as the Milagres Church. This feast, which often coincides with the Sirigaon Jatra, starts 16 days after Easter.
बिलाय सायबीण आनी शिरगांवची ती दोगांय भयणी म्हणून आनी थिंगाचे तेल ते हिंगा हाडून घालता सायबिणीक आनी हिंगाचे मोगरीचे कळे ते थिंगा व्हरून घालता सायबिणीक म्हणजे आपले भयणीक अशें म्हणून ते लोकांचो आवडटा आसा.
A reporter from Mapsa, Shamsundar Fatte.
The Transport Department has also drafted a comprehensive Goa school bus rules on the lines of rules framed by Maharashtra and Kerala. The government has also appointed Central Road Research Institute to study traffic and transportation in Goa. CRRI will submit report by the 30th of June. The Director of Transport informed this to the High Court on Monday. School children were drowned to death in a tragic bus accident at Kalvi Aldona on 18 February. High Court had taken suo motu cognizance of traffic management in Goa.
The suo motu petition on traffic management in Goa came up for hearing before the Goa bench of Bombay High Court on Monday. Director of Transport Arun Desai has filed affidavit in the High Court giving details of the measures taken by the Transport Department to prevent accidents in the state after the ill-fated accident at Kalvi. Transport Department has also drafted comprehensive Goa school bus rules on lines of rules framed by Maharashtra and Kerala. The rules have been submitted to the government for approval. Transport Director states, DOT drafted comprehensive Goa school bus rules. Rules forwarded to government for approval. Enforcement of GSBR immediately after government's approval. Life stage of carriage permit buses maximum 15 years. Buses above 15 years to be off the road within 3 years. Central Road Research Institute to study transportation in Goa. CRRI to submit report by 30th June. Process to construct Kalvi Bridge begun. Tenders floated. Tender opening fixed on 7th May. Transport route in 2 categories, main route, tertiary routes. Frequent checks to be carried out at accident-prone zones. Our reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agyar.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.